The channel, and today I'm going to have a look at the refurbished handbrake components, at least the parts that sit in the car. You can see the pictures previous to this of the unrestored examples, and these are the painted parts done in nice hammerite. Now this part, it looks like zinc to me, but I could be wrong. But being a metallurgist, I should know. I think it is zinc. So that needed a primer, special primer, before it was painted. Now I'm not sure whether those ribs there should be free of paint, but all the pictures I've seen, there isn't any there, but that's because it's all been worn away by numerous applications of the handbrake. The part down here, I can't see any traces of paint on that, so I don't believe it has ever been painted, but I'm sure someone will tell me. Again, that looks like zinc to me. Right, so those are the components. There's the handbrake light switch. There are the bracket components to hold it in place, and there's the roll pin. That's now the original roll pin wasn't installed properly at all, and it wasn't doing much, so I've replaced that as the other one was damaged. And there's the grommet, which will be replaced. So a very simple setup, but it works obviously. Bit awkward to get used to, I found, when I first had the car, but you soon get used to it. It's a leaning forward and reaching for it, at least if you've got short arms anyway, like I have. So there it is, reassembly coming up.